Do not waste your money on new parts until you watch that video, guys, because it could be something that costs only a few dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Mercedes C-Class, it could be practically any generation from year 2000 all the way to currently, guys. Now, if you have engine noise coming from the engine of your Mercedes C-Class, you want to know what's causing that noise. Common engine noises that most people will ignore, and they may replace components such as power steering pump or alternator, expensive components. Stay with us, we'll explain how it could be something really simple that costs only a few dollars. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can, guys, save a fortune. So we'll demonstrate specifically on that 2013 Mercedes, guys, that we have here at the garage, but now it could work on other models as well. We, guys, are going to start the engine now. Okay, you're going to hear the engine. We'll put everything together. You see the car before we actually took it apart. You'll hear the noise. You'll see what it sounds like. It sounds like it has a mechanical problem, or it could sound like a power steering, alternator noise. So we'll go ahead, start it, hear that, and then we'll continue. So let us show you guys what that noise whine sounds like. We're going to start the car and we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay. And okay, first open it. Perfect. Let's go ahead, start the Mercedes now. Okay, and you can hear that whining. It's kind of like a dental machine. Okay, let's give it gas. And you want to know where it's coming from. Let's go ahead, guys, we'll start. It looks like it's coming from up here. You may be confused that it's a timing chain component or variable timing gear, but it's not. So let's continue now. So you can, guys, hear that noise, right? Okay, you kind of like wonder what's causing that. It could be mechanical, such as timing chain failure. Okay, variable timing sprockets right here. But what else it could be causing? It could be power steering, it could be, guys, AC compressor, it could be the water pump that we have right here, or alternator, guys. And quite a few people will start stressing out to replace alternator, power steering pumps. Those are expensive to replace, hard to get to sometimes. AC compressors are expensive, guys. So what we'll recommend, remove your serpentine belt, guys. We'll go ahead and remove ours. That way all the accessories will not be driven by it, including the water pump. And you will need to start your car for only 10-15 seconds max, so you don't overheat it. We'll go ahead, start it now, and hear the noise. If the noise is gone, we will explain how to find out what was causing it. If the noise is still present, you have mechanical problems. So let's hear now. You can hear, guys, that whine, okay, is completely gone. Okay, we don't have it anymore. So the whine noise is gone. So most likely it's some of the accessories, or, guys, it could be something super simple, such as an idler pulley. Those things are the first things that tend to fail. We recommend to disconnect the car battery, because the fan will be spinning here, and if that fan is spinning, it can catch your hands, fingers, cut them off. So disconnect the car battery. And on these new cars, it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect first and which one to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the modules, electronics, components, guys. That can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? We actually burned the computer, airbag computer on Mercedes C-Class back in the day, when we were still learning diagnostics, guys, and that cost us $2,000. So check out, we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Next, you're going to go ahead, guys, and inspect the pulley for the AC compressor. Spin the pulley, make sure that it spins nice, freely, it's not choppy, and it doesn't feel noisy. You will, guys, need to spin the water pump, make sure that it feels smooth as well without any noises, and the alternator. The power steering pump, how you test it, will have the belt on. When you have the belt on and when you start the car, you hear that whine noise, you're going to turn the steering wheel left and right. If that noise increases when you turn the steering wheel, most likely it's a bad pump or having problems with the power steering system. If it's the noise is staying the same or getting quieter, that's not a power steering pump. In our case, guys, it's that idler pulley. And the funny thing about those, when you remove them, they feel really nice. They actually feel nice and smooth. But that bearing, when it's under load, it becomes noisy and whiny. That was causing our problem. So what we had to do, guys, okay, replace that idler pulley. You cannot replace the one idler pulley only. If you have a second one, replace it as well, because the other one most likely will fail. Replace the tensioner always and replace the belt. Belts, guys, okay, most people don't know about that, but they need to be replaced. Okay, we have a special video actually that talks about belt replacement, how often to replace serpentine belt. Check out the video. This one is about to fail with 65,000 miles. You can see it already has a cut, guys. So most likely, okay, check idler pulleys, check accessories. That's one of the most likely reasons for your engine noise on C-Class. So we went ahead, we replaced the belt, idler pulleys, okay, tensioner pulley. Let's hear the engine now. So guys, that noise is completely gone. That was just the idler pulley causing, okay, the noise in our case, and you can see practically it took care of that problem completely. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.